Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AWS Ground Station, full guide step by step clearly. To register with AWS Ground Station, start by visiting the official AWS website. Click on the Sign In to the Console button in the upper right corner. If you already have an AWS account, enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an AWS account, click on Create a Free Account. Fill out the required information, including your email address and password. Provide your account name and choose your AWS support plan. Complete the identity verification steps as prompted. Then, input your payment information if necessary. After creating your account, return to the AWS Management Console. In the search bar, type Ground Station and select it from the results. Read through the AWS Ground Station documentation for an overview of the service. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a page to configure your ground station resources. Select the appropriate region for your operations. Review the available satellite connections in that region. Choose the satellite you wish to work with and click Connect. Follow the prompts, complete any additional configuration as required. Once you finish configuring, review your settings for accuracy. Click Create to finalize your ground station setup. Your AWS Ground Station is now registered and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.